How to turn on voice chat in Marvel Rivals. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Marvel Rivals in your PC. Once you open it, you simply want to go ahead and open the settings. For that, you want to go ahead and press options and go to settings. Now navigate to audio settings. Select the audio tab within the settings menu. After that, enable voice chat. Scroll down to voice option. You'll see the settings for voice chat, volume, mic volume and voice chat. Now by default, voice chat is turned off, which is indicated by an X. You have to go ahead and press on the X to turn it on. A check mark will appear indicating it's enabled. Now you want to go ahead and test your microphone. Ensure your microphone is unmuted and you can start talking to confirm it picks up your voice. So with the steps, you'll then be able to communicate with your team in the game. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.